What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have something that every truck with a camper on it will need. And I'm back here because this is where one of the parts of this whole setup is. So what I'm talking about here is the rear digital camera. So what we have here is the Wolfbox back camera. This is a 2.5K resolution mounted right underneath the third brake light on my Tune Outdoor M1 camper. This one will clear the door without contacting the camera. So it fits perfectly right between the door and the third brake light. And having something like this is necessary if you have a camper, especially if you have one that is this wide, because it's wider than the truck bed itself. And then of course you have this big old camper in the back of it now. And if you don't have glass on the black back door, you won't be able to see through it all the way. And this camera is always recording as well. So the way we have it wired, it records both when we're driving and when we're parked. If somebody walks by and, or if there's any audio, the Wolfbox will actually start recording just to make sure that nobody's trying to break into your camper or your vehicle. So what we have here is the digital rearview mirror from Wolfbox. And you can see here, it's already recording. As soon as the truck's on, it records. And like I said before, the way that I have it wired, if it picks up any audio from the outside or anybody walks across the camera, it will turn on and start recording as well. Right next to that, we have 4K, that is the camera that is right in front of this piece here. And then 2.5K is the back camera that you currently see. You can also scroll, so if it's too high or too low, you can definitely scroll. It is a wide lens, so you're able to see all the way out here, which I can't see with my side view mirrors. So driving on road with this is very helpful to see traffic that is in my blind spots where the camper kind of blocks, which makes it super helpful for obviously switching lanes and stuff. We also have the compass here, miles per hour, the time. Currently I have it on audio, so if I say like take a picture or whatever, it'll snap a photo just like that. And then you can also turn the digital rearview mirror off. So if you wanted just to use this as a standard mirror, you could do that as well, but it will still record. And you can set the record intervals to be anywhere between 1, 2, or 3 minutes long. I had it set it to 3 minutes prior, but when I went to go download one of the clips that I needed, it was just taking forever, so I ended up switching it just to 1 minute, so that way my download file would be smaller and I could download that quicker. This actually caught an accident on the road where this motorcycle hit a truck, and I was able to provide the officers with the footage from this, so that way they could use it as proof for evidence and stuff. But a couple features I want to show is the swipe feature. When you swipe it, you can go between one camera, both cameras, or if you have the Wolfbox Tri-Pro with the 3 cameras, you actually will see 3 cameras instead of just the 2 that you see here. But at the time I only needed 2 because I have my third camera on my actual head unit here instead of up here. So if you don't have that, or if you would like an additional camera, that one is called the Bumper Series Tri-Pro. So that way you can put it in your bumper and really aim it down at the ground so you can see the terrain when you're driving. So using that off-road is super helpful. And we've installed a couple of those and they're amazing. If you swipe again, you'll see the front. This is a very high definition 4K resolution for the front camera that you see right up here. So again, you can scroll. So if you don't like it right there, you can scroll. But when it is recording, it'll get the full image. So it's not just this very wide screen that you see here. It's actually very useful. So when you download it, it's going to be like a regular video ratio instead of just this super wide screen. But this is very helpful for seeing out the back of any camper. That way you can see what's behind you, see the traffic that is there as well. So when you're switching lanes and all that stuff, you know exactly who's there. And of course the Dashcam feature is great as well, just to protect yourself, protect the vehicle, and then capture anything on road And also, since the front is a 4K camera, you can utilize this for posting on social media or anything like that, or sharing with your friends and family the adventures you take. And it's 4K resolution, so the video output is going to be very high quality when you want to share those. So if your camper is anything like mine, where you can't see through the camper at all, having this is going to be super helpful for seeing outside the back of the truck, as well as kind of in the blind spots of your side view mirrors as well. I have these little spotter mirrors that are convex mirrors on the corners of my rear view mirrors, and the camera actually sees it a little bit wider, which is really helpful for switching lanes, especially when I have my kids in here. I just want to be completely safe as I could be. But this is definitely something I would highly recommend to not only trucks with campers, but pretty much any vehicle that wants to record, have a wide view of what they're seeing behind them, and obviously, you know, just the aspect of having a digital rearview mirror is pretty cool. So it's gonna be it for this video. I will have a link in the description as well as a discount code, so that way if you wanted to save some money, if you wanted to pick this up for yourself, I'll have it down there as well. But that's gonna be it. We'll see you guys next time.